Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to transfer files like your photos, videos, documents from your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to your USB flash drive. And before we begin, there are basically two types of USB flash drive. As you can see, mine actually comes with this USB output, but obviously there are some USB drive that comes with a USB-C output like this over here. So if yours comes with a USB-C output, you do not need to do anything. You can simply just connect your USB drive to the USB-C input on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. However, if you have the conventional USB drive like this one over here, then you would actually need an adapter. This adapter comes with a USB input at the bottom and then it gives out a USB-C. So you want to connect your USB flash drive to the USB input over here because that is what it accepts, and then it now gives you a USB-C which you can now connect to your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Just like so. If you turn on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra now, you should be able to see a USB flash drive connection indication at the top over here. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then proceed to locate the files application. If you cannot find yours, you can use the search icon at the bottom and then just search for files. Go ahead and open it up over here, and if you just scroll down a little bit, you can see that we have an external storage over here, and this is basically my USB drive. All you just have to do now in order for you to transfer your photos, videos, files like your document is to simply locate the photo, video or document. In the case of a photo, you want to go over to images over here. You can see the images I currently have, and in order for me to transfer any of them into my USB flash drive, I will just go ahead and long press on that particular image. You can go ahead and select more than one image, and once you're done, you want to select on the move or copy option. If you copy it, then the file or image is still going to be on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, but if you move it, then it is basically just going to move that particular image completely to your USB flash drive. So in my case, I will just go ahead and move it. Tap on OK over here, and now you want to choose where you want to move your photos to. Now you can see the USB storage 1 over here, which is basically my USB drive. I'll just go ahead and select that and then proceed to enter the specific folder where you want to keep it on your USB drive as well. So I can go ahead and put it in folder 1 and then just tap on the move here option, and as you can see, everything would now be moved into my USB drive. So if I go back to the main files menu and then go over to my USB storage over here and then go over to folder 1, you can literally see all of the photos I just sent, and you can go ahead and do the same thing for your audio files, your video files, and even documents as well. And that is basically how you can transfer files like your photos, videos, and documents from your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to your USB flash drive. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel.